Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you, boys and girls? I hope that you all are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIUVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abdul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 8. Let's see what will be our today's topic. It is passage narration part 2, and this is our lecture number 9 and homework number 9. Dear students, on our YouTube class and live class, you have practiced a lot about passage narration. That means many of you have a good experience or have a good or sound knowledge how to write a passage narration well. Today I am here to help you also, so that you can achieve a perfection how to write a passage narration correctly and perfectly. So let's start our class. So dear learners, look, a passage will be given. So look at the instruction. Rewrite the following passage changing the form of speech. Okay, that means in a passage or a passage will be given, it will be written in indirect form, and it is asked to write the direct form of the passage. So how to start the passage narration, how to start writing the passage narration? In these connections I will give you some tips so that you can write well. Dear learners, whenever you will start writing the passage narration, you will give your focus or attention on the following fact. For example, reporting verb, reported speech, tense, speaker, and you will read the whole passage. Read the whole passage properly. So I am telling again, you will give your attention or you will focus while writing the passage narration, while write the indirect sentences into the direct form. Okay, look here, reporting verb, reported speech, tenses, speaker, whom is told, and read the whole passage properly. So look, there is a passage, and look here, what were you doing, said he to me. Here we have to find out the speaker, then who is the speaker and whom is told, and then we have to find out the tenses. So look here, reporting verb and reported speech I am telling. So look at this one, what were you doing? This is called reported speech. What were you doing? It is called reported speech. Said he to me, it is called reporting verb. So dear learners, look, so let's start with the reporting verb. Whenever the reporting verb will be started or will be written in past form, whenever the reporting verb will be written in past form, we have to follow the reported speech like this. What were you doing? It is written in past continuous tense. Here we will write these things in past perfect continuous tense. I said. Okay, let's start. And it is written in, as it is an interrogative sentence, we have to give our attention. Okay, look, said he to me. Here the speaker is he. He said to me, it will be asked, as it is in interrogative form. He asked me. Then look here, what were you doing? Here you represents me or I. What are you doing? As it is written in past continuous, we will write in past perfect. he asked me what I had been doing. So look, he asked me what I had been doing, full stop. I said I was doing my assignment. Here we will write like this, I replied. I replied that again, as it is written in past continuous, we will write in past perfect continuous. I replied that I had been doing my assignment. I'm keeping this in bracket. Doing my assignment. ASSIGNMANT. Full stop. Next, you should play in the afternoon. Okay, look at the space or the inverted comma space. You should play in the afternoon. Here he is telling, he will write like he told me that you should play in the afternoon. He told me that no chance, I should play in the afternoon. Full stop. He told me that I should play in the afternoon. It will keep you fit. He also told that, or he added that. That it will. So look, dear learners, as it is written in will, that means it will be would. He added that it would. The past form of will is would. It would keep me fit. Keep me fit. Okay, next. It will keep me fit. Okay, thank you for your advice. Okay, look here, I am giving thank to him. Okay, we will write like this. As it is written in present form, we will write in past form. I thank, past form of I thank him for his advice. Okay, look, this is the answer of this passage narration. I am telling again the answer. What were you doing? Said he to me. Okay, we have written this sentence in interrogative form. Look, he asked me what I had been doing. Dear learners, whenever it will be in WS questions, there will be no change. He asked me what I had been doing. I said I was doing my assignment. Here I replied that I had been doing my assignment. Next, you should play in the afternoon. Here my friend is telling me, or my friend suggests me that I should play in the afternoon. So look, whenever in a sentence there will be should play in the afternoon, there will be no change. He told me. Here he represents my friend, or he told me that. Here we will write that. He told me that I should play in the afternoon. Next, it will keep you fit. He also told that, or he added that it would keep me fit. Here will has been changed into past form, it is would. He added that it would keep me fit. Next, thank you for your advice. Here I thank him for his advice. This is the answer of this passage narrations. Dear learners, look, your homework is given. This is your 9 number homework, and your homework is Joshua Board 2019, page number 652, question number 12. That means if you open your advanced learner book of Joshua Board 2019, page number 652, and here you will get the question number 12. This 12th number will be your homework. Dear students, I hope that you have understood how to write a passage narration well. So I am telling you at the end of this class, that means you will give your attention or focus on the tenses, then the speaker who is telling or whom is told, then the reporting verb, reported speech, and finally to find out the speaker you will read the passage again and again. I hope that today's class will help you very much to understand passage narration. Please do your homework and it will also help you to understand our passage narration. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.